Catch him! He's so fast! Whoa, look at that face!
That video you just watched was created with Grok AI for free. Do you also want to use Grok to create your AI videos for free right now? There is working methods to access Grok model for free. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do that.
Now, our first AI tool we'll be trying today is this AI tool here. You can get this AI tool on your browser. Just go to your Google Chrome and you go and search for the name of the AI tool. As you can see, it is called Wave Speed AI. So you go and search for the name of the AI tool. So this first one you are seeing here, as you can see, say unlimited AI media generation platform. So you just tap on it, and when you tap on it, it's going to open. So if you have not registered account with them before, they are going to ask you to register account. Now, this is how the AI tool is. All you need to do is just to click on sign in here. So when you click on sign in, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you can accept their cookies or you can reject it. Anyone you do. So you are going to verify. If you are a woman, you just verify and just click on this box. So make sure you pay attention and watch every step I'm going to show you on this video, because if you decided to skip it, you are not going to get it right. So just click on sign in with your Gmail account. As you can see, sign it with your Google. So that is your Gmail, your Google account. So let me click on sign in with my Google. So I'm registering a new account for the sake of this video to show you guys how the platform works. So this is a new account I'm trying to register just to show you guys. So immediately you register on this platform, they are going to give you $1, which you can use to generate videos. This $1 is what they use to generate video on this platform. As you can see, immediately you sign up, they are going to give you this $1 you are seeing right here, as you can see it here. And when you are using it to generate video, they are going to be removing it small. But you can generate a lot of videos on this platform. After the money is finished, you can open another account and you keep generating. So now, when you come here, you are going to see API, you are going to see AI generation. As you can see, AI generator, you click on this AI generator. Now, when you click on AI generator, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you can see model. As you can see, the same models here. You can just click on this model, and you are going to see different type of AI model. As you can see nano banana. You can see all these things here. You can see all of them here, like video generation, all these things. Now we are in AI image generation. That is where you are seeing nano banana, ChatGPT. So you can also use this platform to generate image. Now when you come to video here, you are also, now it's on video. If you put it on video, let's click on video. Now after put it on video, you can also come to model here, and you can also see different type of AI model you can use for video generation. See, there's 2.5, Omni AI, all these AI tools. You can go to see them like VO 3.1, Grok AI. As you can see, now if you want to use Grok AI, let's use Grok AI for example. Now we click on Grok AI. Now we click on Grok AI. You can just paste your prompt here, the prompt of the video you want to create. You can paste the prompt here, and if you have image you want to upload, you can also upload your image here. And if you have maybe link to a website or to an image or anything you want to, you can put it here. Now let's paste our prompt here. We just paste our prompt here, and after we paste our prompt, this is our prompt we are using. Now after we paste our prompt, the next thing we are going to do, let's come down here. Let's just come down. Let's come down here, and when we come down, I don't want us to upload any reference image right now. So you can see say reference image. If you want to upload your image, you can add it here. Now the next thing we set our duration. You can set it in up to 15 seconds. But right now I just want a short video, because depends on how you put it. That is how you spend your credit. Because if you put it in 15 seconds right now, you are going to see you need up to $2 to generate video. So we have a little credit. So let me take it to 6 seconds. Put it in 6 seconds. Now, as you can see, our credit has reduced to 0.84. Now, our resolution also depends on resolution you put. That is how your credit is going to increase. So our resolution, I'm going to put it in 480p. Now, when we put it in 480p, as you can see, this is the credit we are going to spend. Now, I'm leaving it in 480p. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this generate. Now, immediately you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video here. As you can see, it says generating started. So it's going to generate your video. So all you just need to do is just to wait for like or up to just some minutes or some second, and it's going to generate your video for you. Now, after I generate the video, I'm going to show you another platform which you can also use to generate videos for free, and you can also use Cadence 2.0 on the platform. And even on this platform, you can also use Cadence 2.5. and also Seedens 2.0. So let's wait for the result to be generated. Now finally our result is generated, and this is our result here. Let me view it so that you guys are going to see. Let's just play the video. Now this is the video here.
Catch him! He's so fast! Whoa, look at that face!
So if you want to download the video, all you just need to do is just click here like this, and you download the video, and the video is going to download to your phone. Now you can also use Seedens 2.5. If you want to use Seedens 2.5, all you just need to do, just come to the AI model here, and you select Seedens 2.5 here, and when you click on Seedens 2.5, you set your video duration, aspect ratio, everything. If you have enough credit, you can do that. And after you are generating the video on this platform and your credit finish, I've told you guys what you need to do to generate your videos, to get another credit to generate videos. Now as you can see, this is our credit that we have remaining. So this is how you can use this platform and to be generating videos for yourself for free. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.